Alright people, your call is the before, right? So I see how much days it take with this call the before. I will show you the after. Great Django there. I'm going to go and check out the shop. Yeah. So I work on a G37 Infinity. So the before, United shell long, United is a shell. So no see it there in the Django, two see them come out though? Yeah. So United shell long people. So I'm showing the before, after. One seat here. I'm gonna see it. I see it when it's done here. Alright people, there too. Day two. I'm going to step by step till it's finished. I'm going to see how we do. Uno can judge you, uno gonna do it. Uno gonna do the judge of this. So I want to start it. Machine there, up on the ramp around my music, but we got the engine with the big boy on it. Yeah, engine is now. Alright people, after a long while, my G said to me, first thing to go to Infinity engine, so finally we can see it. This is what we've been fighting with all day. So all of this we do in a day too. See me? So soon we will continue, alright? Big up on yourself. Remember to stay tuned, like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, like for the DJ. So I'm showing some different projects on the channel. Everything we do over here. Alright, see there. I see you sky for money, you don't know engine, they are gone. People, it's never too late for a shower rain. But watch you go on. Whole interior, the take out, and the G37 should have catch. When they are put by the carpet and everything, I just saw it go. We are working in a hurry, but yeah. Whole seat, the take out, every seat. Carpet clean and everything. Yeah, what we do is I like go on the video there, yo. See it? Carpet clean, put back seat, put back the driver seat in a minute. That's it. It's never too late, Benji. It's never too late. Project still are going, almost done. See engine there. Go in this and give them an engine view. Better take a swift out of your mouth. See it there. You working. See engine reach over going out. So. No joke. Great Benji over there, so see way. Lean up on the project. Finalize it to me. Yeah, do my boss.
See, change the suspension, you know?
Yeah.
And to another one.
So one side suspension, I think.
Yeah, the lock to start. And to another